What's up, guys? Welcome back to DMZ TV. I'm your host, Gigi. And to my right, I have my co-host.
Yes, guys, my name is Dutch. And today on Hookah 101, we're going to be talking about hookah tips.
On today's episode, we're going to be going over hookah tips. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and also follow us on Instagram at DutchMastersTV. Back to you, Dutch.
Thank you for letting me go back to my own show. So guys, as she explained, yes, we're going to go over hookah tips. And this is going to be actually going over some stuff of how to have a good hookah session. So how about we go ahead and try out some of these tips? You ready?
Do it, yeah.
Let's go. All right, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and try out the little tips that we're gonna go over about having a good hookah session. But before we start, let's talk about Gigi.
All right. So guys, again, my name is Gigi. I'm actually a foodie, traveler, and entrepreneur. I own my own company. It's called Poshi Club. So if you guys want to check that out, it's poshiclub.com. Also, I have a YouTube channel, and on that channel I do like lifestyle, traveling advice, just tips on, you know, normal stuff. And then of course I have my TikTok. So on TikTok I go over a lot of like just foodie stuff, good places to eat, just recommendations. So yeah.
Definitely, you got to check her out because I follow her on TikTok. That's actually where I found you, and now I follow her on Instagram. So she has amazing content. So guys,
thank you. Don't
forget to give that.
Hit that follow button.
That follow button, there you go. All right, so this is why I brought you over, because of the food stuff.
Yes.
I went ahead and thought, let me see, how can I come up with food and hookah? And then I thought, yeah, this gotta be something easy, because whenever you smoke hookah, it's good to have something in your stomach during or before. So what I came up with, of course, is a solution of just eating like fruits or anything that is light during the session. Because when you eat fruits, it actually hydrates you, because the nicotine when you smoke a hookah, that dehydrates you.
Oh.
So fruits have, of course, you know, liquid that keeps you hydrated. Plus, if you want to cleanse your palate, because of course, you know, when you want to try out food,
you need to taste all the flavors.
There you go. When you want to taste all the flavors, what you can go with is, let's start with the Coca-Cola. So using Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola has sugar and it has carbonates. So if it's, let me have this one instead. There you go. So Coca-Cola has sugar in there. So the sugar actually balances the nicotine.
Okay.
So that's very important. Also, it hydrates you, and because it's carbonated, it cleanses the palate at the same time. So you can go with Coca-Cola. Another option would be what we have, and you want to take it to another fancy way, is you can have carbonated or sparkling wine. So here we're using sparkling wine. Cheers.
Cheers.
So sparkling wine also has carbonation, as you can see right here. And this will cleanse the palate, which gives you the nice flavors, whatever you're gonna smoke or eat, like food. This is perfect to cleanse the palate before you go ahead and eat or smoke. And we put a little bit of fruits in there so you can enjoy some fruits or something to eat while smoking. So these are just little options you can use. Another very easy option is using sparkling water, which you like to.
Yes, my favorite. I'm always drinking Perrier.
There you go, Perrier. That's one of my favorites. Now, make sure you add a little lime in there, because the lime actually, you know, it cleanses the palate. So the carbonate from the water and also from the lime will clean that, and then you'll taste whatever flavor, especially with food or with tobacco flavoring, it helps. So how about we start smoking and we go ahead and try this?
Sounds good.
All right. We're down to our favorite part, and which is trying out the hookah. But before we start, we're gonna go ahead and cleanse our palates. Which one do you want to use, a Coke or?
Let's do the sparkling wine.
Ooh, here we go.
Cheers.
Good. Cheers. So let me explain to you how it's done. She couldn't even wait. So let's explain how it's done. So you're gonna go ahead and, just like mouthwash, you're gonna just rinse your mouth through it, and then if you want, you can spit it out. But we're not gonna do that. We're gonna actually drink it. So let's go ahead and try that out. And this will cleanse the palate. Now we can go ahead and try out our little session real quick. There you go. How does that taste?
Different.
Yeah, it tastes different. So we actually have some fruits in here. I have here 2 types of dragon fruit. You can go ahead and try one of these. And
I'll do the dragon fruit.
so the good thing about having,
It's good, right?
I really have to taste it.
I know.
The good thing about trying out fruits while smoking is that it keeps you hydrated. So not only are you drinking something, but you're actually eating something. A lot of the, places here, especially in Florida, they don't serve food in hookah bars because you can't mix food with hookah because it has tobacco. But you can probably do chips. So little chips will help, or you can do fruits which will keep you hydrated. And of course you can have a little Coca-Cola. Let's try the next session with Coca-Cola. Same thing, rinse them out. And then go ahead and give it one more hit. That's nice. Let me try yours real quick. There you go. All right. So let me see if you can taste what's in there. That one.
Is it lychee?
There is lychee in there. Definitely.
There's some lychee in here.
Yes.
Yeah, I can taste the lychee.
There you go. So I like that.
So my palate is cleansed.
Her palate is definitely cleansed right now.
Now, is there any, so carbonation helps obviously cleanse your palate. Is there anything else that you can also use?
Yes, so like I explained, we also use the carbonated water with the lime. That's good. But another option will be espresso or Cuban coffee, which we're in Florida, we drink a lot of Cuban coffee. That helps, and it actually is stronger, but it gives you like a little bit of aftertaste.
Okay.
That's why I don't tend to go too much with that. You can also have tea with sugar. Make sure you put sugar in it, or go with honey if you want to go natural. That's another option, but that's more to keep you hydrated, not to cleanse the palate.
Okay.
So, and of course you should know this about the coffee in the industry.
Yeah, well, I mean, I usually use coffee whenever we're like smelling something, especially perfume. If you go to any department store, so it's already cleansing your olfactory.
Yes.
And your palate, so it's the whole thing.
That's perfect. So, guys, remember, stay hydrated. Keep eating something while smoking. And another thing is the coals. So for this, we're actually using natural coconut shell coals. Les orange. So that's what we're using now. If you use those round ones, which you would see a lot in places
like the lounges.
Yeah, try to avoid those because those have like 20% gunpowder. And that's not good for you because it gives you headaches, dries out the mouth, nausea, all of that. We're trying to keep this natural, and we're trying to enjoy our session here. All right, so we came to the end of our show. Now, what do you think about all of this, Gigi?
This was honestly, thank you so much for having me. This was a great learning experience.
Pleasure.
I never thought about cleansing my palate before smoking a hookah, and the carbonation is honestly, I recommend you guys to definitely try that out and stay hydrated. Eating fruit is amazing, and you're staying hydrated while you're doing it. So
yes, and of course don't forget the sugars. The sugars actually levels the nicotine, especially if you're smoking a stronger nicotine like dark tobacco. That is also very important to stay with some sugar in your drinks. Anything you want to add to this?
I guess I'll end this off by saying pretty much, again, thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
And make sure to check out my website, poshiclub.com, and follow me on all my socials. It's at ggxchew_.
There you go. Do not forget to
follow her.
All right, she has amazing content. And guys, I hope this was entertaining and helpful. And if you do like the video, do not forget to hit that like button.
And click that subscribe button too.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe. And also hit the little bell on the top, well, actually next to the subscribe button, so you can stay notified with any new videos that are coming out. So, this is DMZ TV. My name is Dutch.
And I'm Gigi.
Until the next time, it's DMZ TV, and we are
out. On today's episode, we're going to be